G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a New York Sour.
I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
This recipe calls for bourbon or rye whiskey, simple syrup, a little bit of red wine, bitters, fresh lemon and some egg yolk. Did you know that the New York Sour is thought to have first been made in the 1880s by a bartender in Chicago before later being popularised in New York? While one could say it is essentially a whiskey sour with a wine float on top, New Yorkers would strongly disagree. Into a shaker, add 60 ml of rye whiskey or bourbon, 30 ml of lemon juice, a dash of simple syrup, a dash of bitters, and some egg white. Add ice and shake. Now get about 15 ml of red wine, add some ice into the glass, pour over the ice. And carefully pour your red wine over the back of the spoon, trying to make it float on top. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.